Why does Mars wear a red coat under a sky that turns blue at sunset? What secrets hide inside its giant volcanoes and frozen deserts? Tonight, we explore the hidden heart of the red planet. Welcome, friends, to this quiet journey under Mars' red dust. Tonight, we gently lift the rusty cover made of iron. Together, we find the secrets hidden in its red soil. Mars' ground is full of iron that shines faintly in the sun's light. Each tiny piece tells a story from long ago. The red color is like a mark from space-time. Think of Mars as a sleeping giant wrapped in a rusty blanket. This iron dust tells stories of solar winds and old storms. Mars' surface is like a painting of space's past. Mars has only 38% of Earth's gravity, a soft pull that changes every step. Here, jumping feels slow and smooth, like a gentle dance. Gravity's light touch makes new things possible. With less gravity, astronauts would float like in a dream, moving slowly through time. Weight feels like a soft whisper, not a heavy load. Mars invites us to move in new ways. Imagine jumping almost 3 meters high, flying above red rocks and old sand. Gravity's soft hand turns Mars into a playground of slow motion. Mars' pull is like a quiet song. A sol is a day on Mars, a little longer than Earth's, lasting 24 hours and 37 minutes. This slow beat controls life's chances on the red planet. Each sol is like a heartbeat in space. Time here moves with a different rhythm, a slow pulse under strange skies. It's a dance of light and dark, where moments stretch like warm metal. The sol is Mars' special clock. Imagine living by this soft clock, where days last longer and nights hold quiet secrets. The sol guides explorers through Martian mornings and evenings. Time feels new and different here. Olympus Mons is a giant volcano, 3 times taller than Mount Everest, crowned with old fire. This huge mountain rules Mars' horizon, a sign of power. Its shadow hides many stories. Valles Marineris is a canyon as big as whole continents, cutting deep lines on Mars' face. This giant crack tells stories of moving land below. It shows Mars' restless past. These places are like space cathedrals, shaped by unseen forces, holding Earth's secrets. They stand quiet, watching Mars' rough history. Giants carved in stone, guarding Mars' hidden souls. Phobos and Deimos, Mars' 2 small moons, circle like odd shadows, shaped like potatoes. Their strange shapes tell stories of space captures and crashes long ago. They watch over Mars' skies. Phobos moves closer every year, slowly dancing toward a final fate. It might crash or break apart, making a ring of dust. This slow dance is a countdown written by gravity. These moons, small but important, tell a story of space moves and change. They affect Mars' nights and tides, a quiet force felt across the empty land. They are signs of space change. Mars' sunsets are strange, with skies that glow pink and red, but the sun sets in blue. Dust in the air bends light in a curious way. It's a soft, dreamy twilight unlike Earth's. This blue glow is a secret dance of light and dust, a rare cosmic show. It paints the sky with colors that feel both strange and beautiful. Mars sunsets tell a quiet story of its air. Imagine watching this gentle blue fade as night falls over red deserts. It's a calm, peaceful moment, a soft breath from another world. The blue sunset is Mars' quiet song. Mars has ice caps at its poles, made of frozen water and dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide. These icy crowns change with the seasons, growing and shrinking like a slow breath. They hold clues to Mars' past. Dry ice here is like a ghostly frost, disappearing in the sun's warmth, then returning on cold nights. The ice caps are a frozen diary, telling stories of climate and time. They guard secrets beneath their cold. Imagine standing at these icy edges, feeling the cold silence of space. The ice caps watch over Mars like quiet sentinels, holding frozen memories of a planet's long history. They are time's frozen keepers. Mars' air is very thin, mostly carbon dioxide, too thin for humans to breathe. It's a fragile veil, barely holding onto the planet's secrets. Without a suit, life here is impossible. This thin atmosphere cannot protect Mars from the sun's harsh rays or keep warmth inside. It's why the planet is cold and dry, a desert under a fragile sky. The air is a ghostly shield. Imagine standing in this thin air, feeling the emptiness pressing softly around you. It's a silent reminder of Mars' lost strength and faded life. The breathless sky holds a quiet mystery. Mars has huge dust storms that can cover the whole planet for months, hiding its surface in a red haze. These storms are like giant breaths of the planet, shaking dust into the sky. They change Mars' face. The dust storms can block the sun, cooling the planet and hiding landmarks from view. They are powerful and wild, a reminder that Mars is alive in its own way. The storms are a cosmic dance of dust. Imagine the planet wrapped in swirling red clouds, silent but fierce. These storms shape Mars' weather and mood, a restless spirit moving across deserts. The dust storms are Mars' wild heartbeat. Bits of Mars have traveled to Earth, carried by meteorites blasted off the red planet long ago. These space travelers bring pieces of Mars' story to our planet. They connect two worlds across the stars. Scientists study these rocks to learn about Mars' past, its soil, and maybe even signs of life. Each piece is a cosmic letter, sent across millions of miles. They hold secrets waiting to be read. Imagine holding a fragment of Mars in your hand, a small piece of another world. It's a bridge between planets, a silent messenger from the red planet's distant deserts. These rocks are gifts from space. Right now, Mars is home only to robots, rovers and landers sent by humans to explore its surface. These machines move slowly, sending back pictures and data. They are our eyes and hands on Mars. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance roam Mars, searching for signs of past life and studying the soil. They carry instruments that dig, analyze, and listen. These robots are silent explorers of a distant world. Imagine these metal travelers crossing red deserts, climbing rocks, and sending stories back to Earth. They are lonely pioneers, uncovering Mars' secrets bit by bit. Robots keep the planet's story alive for us. Though Mars looks dry, scientists have found signs of salty liquid water flowing underground or during certain seasons. This briny water is a hidden river beneath the surface, a secret life source. Water means hope. Water on Mars is rare and salty, but it could support tiny life forms or past life. It flows slowly, hiding in shadows and cracks. This hidden water is a key to Mars' mysteries. Imagine finding a small stream beneath frozen deserts, a quiet pulse of life in a harsh world. This secret water keeps the dream of life alive on Mars. It's the planet's hidden heartbeat. Long ago, Mars had a strong magnetic field, a shield that protected its air and water from the sun's harsh wind. But this shield faded, leaving the planet exposed and vulnerable. Mars lost its cosmic armor. Without this magnetic guard, solar winds slowly stripped away Mars' atmosphere, turning it thin and cold. This loss changed everything, drying up rivers and freezing lakes. The planet's breath grew faint and fragile. Imagine a world once protected, now open to space's harshness, slowly losing its life's breath. This fading shield explains why Mars wears its red, dry face today. The planet's heart beats quietly under a fragile veil. Mars' red color comes from iron oxide, rust formed when iron met oxygen long ago. This rust covers the surface like a dusty blanket, giving Mars its famous red glow. It's a sign of time and change. The red dust is also a record of Mars' past, shaped by wind, storms, and ancient water. It tells a story of a planet once warmer and wetter, now a desert under a pink sky. Mars' color is a cosmic memory. Imagine touching the rusty dust and feeling the planet's long history, a slow dance of iron and air. This red glow is Mars' secret, a mark of its journey through time and space. The red planet's soul shines quietly. Mars is a world of wonder, a silent guardian of secrets waiting to be found. Its cold deserts, giant mountains, and dusty skies invite us to dream and explore. The red planet holds mysteries beyond our reach. Each discovery brings new questions, a deeper look into Mars' past and future. We stand at the edge of knowledge, ready to learn more about this distant world. Mars calls us to keep searching, to never stop wondering. Imagine the quiet night, the stars above, and Mars glowing softly in the distance. Its story is still being written, a cosmic tale of time, change, and hope. The red planet waits, its secrets whispering in the dark. If this journey into Mars' secrets sparked your wonder, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Together, we'll explore more cosmic mysteries and keep uncovering the universe's quiet, hidden stories.